What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today, y'all see, man, we're on the move, linking up with everybody. Like I said, having me a little get together. I said just the network, man. Enjoy the company of, you know, people, like-minded people, I should say. You know, people trying to get in the social media game and all that. A more intimate experience, you know what I mean? Or people like y'all, man, that just support or whatever. You know, it was an open invite, so people pulling up. I gotta cut the intro short. I'm always running late. I just noted I gotta get some gas and R&B. So I ain't late, but you know, I'm late from arrival time, but I ain't late from time. I ain't gonna be late from time I said we're gonna go in there. So you know, but y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. We I just got to I just made the Longhorn, man. I got here right at 2:30, man. I timed it perfectly, y'all. I timed it perfect. And boy, it's a cold one too. It is a cold day today. I'm trying to make sure I don't need to lock the keys in, man. I'm probably gonna cut y'all back on when I get on the inside, cause the wind gonna be blowing and stuff, y'all. So you know, we're gonna cut y'all back on here in a minute. Probably on the inside, so y'all won't be getting all that wind noise and stuff. And yeah, man, I'm gonna check back in with y'all. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. I got the music going. I hope I don't get no copyright, but it is what it is. So look, man, we in Longhorn. Got everybody in here. Bro Taquan. Go on shout to YouTube out, man. It's time to plug everything.
Alright, it's TQ Mrs. SSCN. You find me on YouTube.
Facebook,
Instagram, SSCN Bowie. Instagram, I can't remember both my Instagrams so far. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. So.
Gotcha.
But you definitely find me on both of those. I answer everything. I reply to everybody's message on all my platforms. So always hit me up.
Y'all make sure y'all check them out. Social media.
My name is Ladarius. Social media, Facebook, Ladarius, TTD Watkins, YouTube, 5.0 Ladarius, just getting started, Fox by the guy. Ford guy, but I like all cars.
Oh yeah, but just like me, same thing. Man, we're gonna go around, what up?
Jock in the Box on YouTube, Facebook, Jock Williams.
Y'all make sure.
Chevy fan, Chevy fan.
Y'all make sure y'all subscribe, man. So I'm gonna put everybody's name on the screen too, so I'm gonna put everybody's name on the screen. Boom, got James. Gonna shout to social media.
Hey, it's Peanuts Automotive Adventures.
So y'all,
same with on Instagram, PAA LLC on Instagram.
we're gonna put everything on the screen, y'all.
Okay.
Gonna put everything on the screen. Steve, y'all know Steve. He ain't got shout his out. Y'all already know. So yeah, man, we right here checking in, man. So yeah, man, just finna enjoy the day. Y'all know all that. Enjoy everybody and stuff. Network, link up, all that, man. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all be checking in, man. Like I said, just linking with everybody, you know, trying to make sure everybody get help and stuff with the social media and all that good stuff. You know, I like to do stuff like that for people to network, man, just come together and all of that at one. You know, instead of trying to be in competition with everybody. Cause you get a lot of that, especially with social media and all of that, man. Instead of people coming together as a collective effort, you know, you have people you try to, I need to one up him or I need to one up her and all of that stuff. So, you know, it's just good vibes, man. It's just good vibes with everybody. Y'all definitely make sure y'all follow everybody's social media, man, and you know, support. So y'all definitely make sure y'all go do that. Cause I put everything on the screen, man. Make sure you go support them. Let them know y'all came, man. Everybody pretty much fam anyway, you know. That's the thing about it. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we take it in. Look, you gotta plug your social media. It came a little late, so go ahead and plug everything for everybody.
My YouTube is Pools TV, Facebook Pools TV, Instagram Pools TV, all the Pools TV.
So look, I got it all on the screen, man. Y'all make sure y'all go support and everything, cause like I said, I want y'all to go flood everybody, man. Everybody is supporting everybody, you know. That's why they here too. So, I mean, some stuff, I'm getting out, I can't cut the camera on, cause I mean, it ain't for everybody. That's why I did like, so everybody can come with us. So, I'm trying to help, you know, get people boosted up, stuff I know and all that. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Turn y'all back on. All right, y'all, we checking in. Look, we left somebody out. So plug social media. We're gonna put it on the screen too.
Our YouTube, Nicole So Jazzy, Instagram, same thing. So go ahead and follow me.
All right, tell them again, cause it loud.
It's Nicole So Jazzy. You can also follow me on Instagram too.
Nicole So Jazzy. It's the same thing on Instagram, same way, all one word.
Yes, just lowercase.
Lowercase. Okay. So look, I'm gonna put it on the screen. Everybody I have shown on their vlog, literally, man, y'all go follow them and stuff, man. Cause look, everybody gonna drop consistent content, cause we know y'all like to watch stuff and all that. So definitely go support her, man. And you know, just support everybody. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Y'all stay tuned. Hey y'all check out who popped up, man. The Ray car man right here. Look at him, man. That Cuzzo, man. Cuzzo pulled up. All that. So yeah, we just waiting on food and stuff. Man, we're gonna check back in.
Like, it ain't much. Like, my little frog, and my homeboy. He was like,
Alright, y'all, we checking in. So we just came out, man. Like I said, definitely been a good time. Look, this man actually got a camera in his hand, man. Look at it. Let me see, is it on, man? Is it recording? Okay, yeah, it recording. Got that check. Yeah, man. And I see everybody out here, Cuzzo, Jock, man. The fam. Y'all seen them plenty of time.
Check out JMalcom.
Jane?
Check out JMalcom.
You gotta drop your info.
At Sincerely Carolyn.
Sincerely, Carol. We're gonna put it all on the screen. We're gonna put it on the screen. Okay. What's yours? Yeah, you got a channel too. What's your channel?
He wants me to do
Princess Loki Bear.
What is it? Princess Lonely Bear? Okay.
If you put Ice Mask, you'll be able to see it because a lot of people name Loki Bear.
Hey, the whole family. Check it in, man. We got 5.0 Ladarius. Like I said, we put them on screen again, man. James, Peanuts Automotive, man, and his son. Yep, everybody out here. So you know, yeah, man, it's cold out here, man. You know, they gotta put the kids up and stuff. Y'all know, man, R&B. Gonna go get that thing put up and all of that. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, we checking in, y'all checking in. Just made it back to the house. Good little driving, R&B. Definitely a good day, man. Definitely a wonderful day. Meeting everybody, you know. Some for the first time, some I already met. But definitely a good meetup. Like I said, more laid back, intimate setting or whatever than a car meet. I really want to do that just to kind of network with people, but enjoy the day too, you know. Just kick it with the people that support you. Not necessarily, it wasn't about business, you know what I'm saying? It was just, that was a perk of being there, you know, to be able to get some more inside info and, you know, just to network with other individuals, but it was more so just to really just lay back and kick it, man, with the people that support and watch, you know, and whoever. And I just put like social media influencer calls. They welcome, you know. I knew while I was there, you know, I was gonna help whoever was there and stuff, and give info, you know, let them ask questions or whatever. Just answer whatever, man, you know, share some motivation with people and everything. So it was just an all in all good day. Definitely a good vlog or whatever. Like I said, this the type of stuff a lot of people won't click on, man. They won't click on this call or what it is, you know, but this type of stuff people should be clicking on, to seeing people come together and, you know, trying to further each other versus some arguing or some other bullshit like that, you know what I mean? So I mean, if we was all in there arguing, creating a big ruckus, a million people click on this mug. But that's just the way people live. People be saying the internet, it ain't the internet, it's the way people are, man. More people just set up like that. They set up to engage and entertain bullshit. So it ain't the internet, it just in that person, you know what I mean? So man, all in all, good day. Like I said, man, I got to send a huge shout out to Peanuts Automotive, which is James. He came all the way from Virginia, man. Been wanting to meet him for a long time. That man has not one, not two, not three, but 5 Grand Nationals, man. Peanuts Automotive, y'all hit this channel. He has 5 Grand Nationals. I remember when he first dropped that picture on my Facebook, I was like, man, it's crazy. I said, this man instantly became the GOAT to me. 5 Grand Nationals. But he a good dude, man. His wife, his son, they're a great family, man. You know, they're what I wanted this to be, man. People brought their families out. He was a great family. Taquan, his wife came out. Steve and his family, you know, everybody, man. Just a good vibe. Y'all see Cuzzo. I met Lil Darius for the first time, and I met Jock for the first time, and Pools TV. I'm trying to make sure I don't leave nobody else out. But anyway, y'all seen everybody in the vlog, man. Y'all saw everybody, man. Like I said, it was all in all just good vibe. It was a good day, man. Good cruise in R&B. I wanted to bring the truck, man. I was debating on which one of them I was gonna bring, but I got to thinking. I knew gonna come back late, and it was gonna be dark. So I like the truck get cold, boy. Brown coat get cold, man. Y'all gotta remember, ain't no heat in that. So I thought about that. I said, man, brown coat gonna get cold, boy. I ain't driving that. I gotta drive the vehicle with the heat, which was R&B. I could have drove Dolo. What kept me from driving Dolo, cause I knew it was gonna get dark and the running lights don't work in the back. Y'all know I got brake lights now, but the running lights stopped working. So I said I can't drive that at night. So I had to pull out R&B, man. It was the one. See, the truck got backlights stuff. It gets cold in there, man. Cause no heater box in there. Y'all know it just like that when I bought it. But which I might do vintage on that truck, just the heat system. I don't really need air, but I might just do heat only, the vintage air system. So might have that coming on brown coat. But yeah, man, all in all, good day. Like I said, I want to just show y'all the vlog, cause I told y'all I'm gonna link up, network with people and stuff, man. It's gonna be a lot of that going on this year. Y'all gonna see new faces and stuff. You gonna see some old faces and all of that, man. I got some stuff going on tomorrow, man, with brown coat. So I'm gonna have to be loading it up and taking brown coat out tomorrow. So that's another reason I ain't driving. I knew I would come bringing it out tomorrow. So yeah, man, that's it. All in all, man, like I said, I hope people just enjoyed the energy of the vlog and all that. And I appreciate y'all. I'm going to catch y'all later. BCG. We out.